In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a countdown widget in Notion. Simple and quick for beginners. We're going to take a plain Notion page and make it more engaging by embedding a live countdown. This is perfect for tracking deadlines, events, launches, or anything you want to keep top of mind. All you need is a Notion page and a web browser. Start by opening Notion and heading to the page where you want the countdown to appear. This could be your personal dashboard, a project page, or even a team hub. Think about where the countdown will be most useful so it stays visible and motivates you. Next, open your browser and go to a widget generator, such as Indify.co. A widget generator is simply a tool that creates small, embeddable elements you can place inside Notion. These tools handle the design and functionality for you, so you don't need to code anything. Choose a reputable provider so the widget loads reliably. Once you're on the site, select the Countdown widget. You'll see options to set the target date and time for your event. Be precise here. Double-check the date, the time, and especially the time zone to make sure it aligns with your location or your audiences. Many generators also let you customize the label, colors, fonts, or shape of the timer. Consider using a color that stands out on your page and a title that clearly describes what you're counting down to. When your countdown looks the way you want, copy the embed link that the generator provides. This is usually a URL specifically labeled for embedding, not the page's address. If both a link and an iframe are offered, the link is typically the best choice for Notion. Head back to Notion, click where you want the widget to go, and type /embed. Then press Enter. This opens Notion's embed block and gives you a field to paste your link. Paste the widget link and press Enter again. If you see a prompt to create or allow the embed, confirm it. After a moment, your countdown should load right inside the page. Now resize or move the countdown widget to fit your layout. Drag the corners to adjust its size, and use the handle on the left to reposition it above or below other blocks. For wide pages, you can also toggle full width or place the widget in a column next to your notes or tasks. And that's it. You now have a clean, live countdown in Notion to keep you focused on the date that matters.